Garage door opener remotes and openers sit at the intersection of convenience, security, and reliability. For multi-car households or upgrades after a lost remote, the right remote or opener can reduce friction while improving safety. In this review, I test and compare 5 options spanning 2 recurring themes: universal remotes designed to replace existing remotes across multiple brands.
List number 1. 2 for Chamberlain LiftMaster Craftsman Garage Door. The Cree City Universal Remotes are sold in a 2-pack, designed to replace or supplement LiftMaster, Chamberlain, and Craftsman remotes manufactured from 1993 to today. They support 3-frequency security rolling code formats and advertise a 120-foot operating range with a 3-button layout that can control up to 3 devices. The build focuses on universal compatibility and reliability, with included CR2032 batteries and visor clips, making them suitable for multi-car households or replacements without hunting for the exact original remote. In practice, the 120-foot claimed range aligns with typical suburban garage setups, though real-world range can dip with walls, metal obstacles, and interference. The 3-button design is flexible for up to 3 devices, but the lack of dip switch customization means compatibility hinges on the Learn button color and rolling code standard of the existing opener. Prospective buyers should verify their opener model against the 1993 to present window and ensure their system uses a rolling code format supported by 3-frequency compatibility. The 2-pack helps mitigate loss and offers convenient handoffs to family members, but it doubles the number of remotes to manage if you only need 1 spare.
List number 2. 2-pack garage door opener remote. DCAFORR offers a universal remote compatible with Chamberlain, LiftMaster, and Craftsman openers, supporting a broad set of model numbers including 893 Max, 891LM, 971LM, 973LM, and others. It emphasizes Security Plus style rolling codes, Security Plus 2.0, and multi-frequency operation, 310, 315, 390 MHz. The package includes a single remote in multiple color modes, with a note that users must set the device to match their Learn button color-coded modes. This flexibility makes it convenient for households with different models, reducing the number of spare remotes needed. Performance-wise, the device targets reliable rolling code operation with modern security features and a compact design suitable for a keychain. The main caveat is the mode switching requirement to align with the green-yellow Learn button or red-orange-purple configurations. This adds a minor setup step, but video or documentation typically resolves it. In real-world use, the remote's 2-button form factor emphasizes portability, but you should verify your opener's compatibility table to avoid mismatches. The price point around $16 makes this a solid mid-range option for multi-car households seeking quick replacement without specialized programming.
List number 3. 2 for Chamberlain LiftMaster Craftsman Garage Door Opener Remote 893LM, 893 Max. Solid Remotes 2-pack targets the classic Chamberlain LiftMaster Craftsman ecosystem, 1993 to present, with an explicit focus on extra long-range performance and high compatibility. The remote is designed to work with a wide array of models, including 891LM, 893 Max, 890 Max, 371LM, 373LM, 971LM, and 973LM. It emphasizes a no-dip switch limitation and claims up to 120 feet of range with a lightweight visor clip and CR2032 battery already installed for trial use. The product emphasizes a straightforward replacement path for households that rely on multiple remotes for different doors. In use, the solid remote option is strong on compatibility and range, and the included battery pre-installed helps new users avoid immediate setup friction. However, like many universal remotes of this era, it lacks the modern security push of newer standards beyond rolling code. For a home with a single or 2 doors, the dual remote pack provides redundancy, but users should confirm their exact model year and Learn button color to ensure the correct pairing. The unit weighs more lightly and uses a visor designed to clip to cars or key rings for quick access.
List number 4. 2X for LiftMaster Chamberlain Craftsman Garage Door Opener Remote Replacement. Experience 2X for LiftMaster Chamberlain Craftsman Garage Door Opener Remote Replacement. Wide compatibility. The garage door opener remote works with Chamberlain, LiftMaster, and Craftsman models from 1993 to present. It supports all 5 Learn button colors. It not compatible with DIP switch, MyQ, Genie, or overhead models. Easy replacement. Fits garage door opener remote models 891LM, 893 Max, 890 Max, 371LM, 373LM, 971LM, 973LM, 81LM, and 950CB. It works with Chamberlain Garage Door Opener Remote, LiftMaster Garage Door Opener Remote, and Garage Opener Remote setups.
List number 5. Genie Chain Drive 500 Garage Door Opener, Model 1035, Reliable Chain Drive Garage Opener. Genie's Chain Drive 500 is a premium, fully integrated chain drive opener and includes a single one-button remote, a lighted wall control, and safety beam safety system. The unit is pitched as a traditional, quiet, maintenance-friendly system with a half HP DC motor and a robust 5-piece rail that snaps together for straightforward installation. It is specifically designed for residential sectional doors up to 350 pounds and 7 feet tall, and it offers compatibility with HomeLink and Car2U without extra hubs. The 5-year motor gearbox warranty underscores Genie's confidence in durability. In practice, this option represents a step up in terms of integration, safety features, and long-term reliability. While the setup is straightforward, homeowners should measure their door and door back set to ensure correct fit, particularly with ladder-style rail and mounting geometry. The inclusion of surge protection and safety beam, along with HomeLink and Car2U compatibility, makes it favorable for buyers seeking a ready-to-install system with established brand support. The trade-off is price and potential overkill for single-car garages or for buyers who only need a remote replacement rather than a full opener upgrade.